Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay joined to the family. I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you guys. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some nice new found. This is some cotton tissue or like a face towel from Biodegradable, and this you can actually use wet or dry, and it is 100% natural and biodegradable, good for the planet. Only in 3 months they are completely gone from this earth, so no pollution, which is great. So this is a 3-month supplies here, and I'm going to show you guys how I use mine. I personally like to use mine for wiping off my makeup in the end of the day, because this actually is 25% stronger than the other tissues, and with only one paper sheet of those, it's worth 5 of the regular one that you use. So that's really nice. So I'm gonna put it over here and I'm gonna show you guys one, and we're going to be using on this video. So but this, you not only can use this for remove your makeup, you can use this for clean your nose, for wipe your hands, dry your hands if you need. If you have babies at home, you can use this for wipe the baby when you're changing, and this help prevent diaper rash, and they're super soft and super gentle on the baby's butt. And you also can use home like as a little towel for, I don't know, anything else that you need, you can use this for. So pretty much is a nice product, an eco-friendly product that you can use on your house for many different ways. So, and we guys know that with the winter coming up now, our nose is stuffed and running all the time, so having a nice soft piece of tissue at hand, it's actually very nice. And you know, some paper tissue actually, burn your nose and make your nose irritated and dry. This actually does not do that. And the one little package like this one come with 80 count. So the total of six package, you're gonna have about like a 480 cotton towel. So that's what they look like. Let me show you guys really quick. I hope the camera can focus on so you guys can see how soft this is and how thick. And like I said, this is from Biodegradable. If you guys decide to check them out, I'm gonna have the link down on the bio for you guys. And also I'm going to have, if I have a discount code, it's going to be on the description of this video. But even if I don't have a discount code, they're going to have huge sales on Black Friday and on Cyber Monday if you want to stock up, because a good product like that, if you are an eco-friendly person, it's good to have around the house. Let me tell you guys a little bit more about the product. All right, then we're gonna go into try. It is 100% pure cotton, ultra soft. The cotton tissue is made of 100% cotton, no woven fabric, have zero additives, is safer than a normal baby wipes, 3 months biodegradation, no pollution, eco-friendly. It is certified from OEKO test, certified and safe, multiple purpose, you can use for wipe a baby run nose. All right, so I told you guys a little bit about the tissue, so now we're gonna use it for remove our makeup, and I'll show you guys how this can work wonders. All right guys, so we're ready for putting this tissue to the test. So let's do this. I'm gonna use for remove my makeup, and then after removing my makeup, I'm going to use another one for dry off my face, and we're gonna see how it goes. So first I'm going to apply some product to my face, and then I'm gonna use the Biodegradable 100% cotton biodegradable tissue for wiping off my makeup. Smell good. So let's do this. So I have lashes on, I have everything, so I'm just going to right, so we're going to start removing. So I have my cotton, 100% cotton towel here, a tissue, everything is coming out. Very nice. This cotton towel is very strong, very strong. Just don't even feel like a tissue. It actually feels like a little towel. Very strong, didn't come apart or nothing. And this is only one towel, and you guys can see that I removed all of my makeup. This definitely is amazing product. One little towel, I was able to remove the whole makeup of my face. I didn't need to use like a little cotton pad to remove my lashes or my browns or nothing. Just one little towel. And what I did is I have a little bowl with water here. I just rinse them off and squeeze them, and they just wash off all the makeup in the water, and I keep using. It's amazing. Wow, I'm really impressed with this cotton towel. Really impressed. One little towel, and I washed her like a couple of times, and she's still intact. I was able to remove my full face of makeup with one towel. Yeah, so the towels work great. If you guys want to give them a go, I'm gonna have the link for Winner Medical on the description of this video, and if they have any discount code, also is going to be on the description of this video. And don't forget, they having huge sales on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. If you guys decide to check them out, they are amazing, eco-friendly, 100% cotton. So just being eco-friendly for me is a big deal, and natural, no harsh on your skin. So love it. 10 out of 10 score for these. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.